Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad and exploring how 10 key points from this iconic book can still revolutionize your financial life today. Point number 1: the rich don't work for money. The poor and middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. Think about it. Are you trading your time for a fixed salary? Or are you building assets that generate income while you sleep? This principle is more relevant now than ever in our gig economy. Focus on building assets, not just earning a paycheck. Point 2: financial literacy. It's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. Understanding the difference between an asset and a liability is crucial. A house is not always an asset, it can be a liability. What truly matters is cash flow. In today's complex financial world, mastering financial literacy is your shield against poor investments and economic downturns. Point 3: mind your own business. Many people spend their lives working for someone else's business. Focus on building your own assets. This doesn't necessarily mean quitting your job tomorrow. It means starting a side hustle, investing in real estate, or creating a digital product. In the age of entrepreneurship, opportunities abound. Take control of your financial destiny. Point 4: the history of taxes and the power of corporations. Understand how the tax system works and use it to your advantage. The rich use corporations to protect their assets and reduce their tax burden. While setting up a corporation might seem daunting, the benefits can be significant. Consult with a financial advisor to explore legal and ethical tax strategies that can save you money and accelerate your wealth building journey. Point 5: the rich invent money. Overcome obstacles and find creative solutions to generate wealth. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. This is about innovation and leveraging opportunities. Think about the rise of cryptocurrency, the creator economy, or AI-driven solutions. Look for emerging trends and find ways to capitalize on them. This requires a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation. Point 6: work to learn. Don't work for money. Seek jobs that teach you valuable skills, even if they don't pay as much initially. Skills like sales, marketing, communication, and negotiation are invaluable assets that will serve you throughout your career. Choose experiences that build your knowledge base and network, which will ultimately lead to greater financial success. Point 7: overcoming cynicism. Don't let fear and doubt hold you back from pursuing your financial goals. Believe in your ability to succeed. Surround yourself with positive influences and mentors who can support your vision. Ignore the naysayers and focus on taking consistent action towards your dreams. Remember, every successful person faced obstacles and doubts along the way. Point 8: overcoming laziness. Financial intelligence requires action and persistence. Combat laziness by setting clear goals and breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Procrastination is a wealth killer. Schedule time for learning, investing, and managing your finances. Treat it like a non-negotiable appointment. The more you learn, the more motivated you'll become to take action. Point 9: overcoming bad habits. Be mindful of your spending habits and avoid unnecessary expenses. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested. Track your expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and redirect those funds towards wealth-building activities. Small changes in your daily habits can have a significant impact on your long-term financial health. Point 10: overcoming arrogance. Always be open to learning and seeking advice from experts. Arrogance can blind you to opportunities and lead to costly mistakes. Humility is a superpower. Surround yourself with people who are smarter than you and be willing to admit when you don't know something. Continuous learning is essential for staying ahead in the ever-changing world of finance. And that's it. 10 powerful lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad that are just as relevant today as they were when the book was first published. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Embrace these principles, stay persistent, and take control of your financial future.